Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. Today I'm going to show you how to open Windows Event Viewer. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. Alright, first click on the Start menu or press the Windows key on your keyboard. Now type Event Viewer in the search bar. After then press Enter. This will open the Event Viewer application. Alternatively, you can also open it by right-clicking on the Start button and selecting Run. In the Run dialog, type Event VWR and press Enter. Once the Event Viewer opens, you will see a navigation pane on the left. Here you can explore different logs such as Windows logs, application logs, security logs, and much more. To view a specific event, simply click on one of the categories. You can also filter or create custom views to help you find what you need more easily. And that's it. You have learned how to open Windows Event Viewer. If this tutorial helped you, please don't forget to subscribe to Mr. TECHFOX and hit that like button for more real-time problem solving videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.